Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig the Programming Guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to transfer ownership of a Facebook page. It's very easy, so let's get started. So the first step you want to take guys is, of course, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Next, you have to switch to the Facebook page you want to do this on. So I'll click on the menu icon at the top right corner, scroll down, and then I'll click on pages. Alright, so the second page is the page I want to transfer ownership. So I'm going to click on that and click on the switch button. So after doing that, the next thing we want to do now is to click on the menu icon on this Facebook page, and then I have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Next, I have to click on settings, and then I just have to scroll down until I see page setup. So right here I have to click on the page setup, and then I'll get all these options right here. I'll just have to click on page access, and then next thing I want to do is to click on add new at the top right corner. Next, I have to click on the next button at the bottom of my screen, and then I have to I have to search for the user's name that I want to transfer my Facebook page ownership to. So I want to transfer it to this user. All right, I just have to now click on this allow person to also have full control. I have to click on the toggle button to allow the user to have full control over the page, and once I do that, this person will be able to remove me as the admin of the page, delete the page, and also perform so many other functions on the page. All right, so next thing I want to do now is to click on the give access button at the bottom of my screen, and that's all. All right, so this person will get an invitation. Once the person accepts it, then the person is going to gain full control over the page. So guys, this is how to actually transfer ownership of a Facebook page. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.